Are you interested in becoming a QA/automation tester? Let's take a look at the roadmap to get started and advance in automation testing. First, it's important to have a mindset that prioritizes finding defects and improving quality. While formal education in computer science can be beneficial, it's not always required. Manual testing is a crucial step in the process of becoming a QA/automation tester. Learn how to create test cases, execute them, and report defects accurately. Understanding the SDLC and STLC helps you know when to start testing and what to focus on at each stage. It's a crucial step to becoming a QA/automation tester. Learning a programming language is crucial for automation testing. Python is often recommended for beginners due to its simplicity and readability. Selenium WebDriver is one of the most widely used automation testing tools for web applications. Explore different tools for mobile application and API testing. Version control systems like Git allow you to manage changes to your codebase, collaborate with team members, and track the history of your code. Test frameworks provide a structured way to write and organize test scripts. They often offer features like test setup, teardown, and reporting. Understanding web technologies is crucial for web application testing. Learn HTML to understand the structure of web pages, CSS to style them, and basic JavaScript for interactions. Databases play a significant role in many applications. Learn the basics of SQL to interact with databases and validate data. CI/CD practices involve automating the build, test, and deployment processes. Familiarize yourself with tools like Jenkins or Travis CI to set up automation pipelines. Explore advanced testing topics like API testing, performance testing, and security testing. Stay updated with the latest tools, technologies, and best practices by reading blogs and attending webinars. Becoming a QA/automation tester is a journey, but it's worth it. Start today and take the first step towards your dream career.